Alright guys, welcome back. Now I'm gonna install these carbon pieces. I'm gonna do it really quickly, but let's go ahead and install it. It's gonna go right here. Eventually I want to get a new steering wheel, but the steering wheel that I want to get, I do want it to be where I can put the airbag still, because it is my daily driver. And put it in, pretty straightforward. Let's peel it now. I hate these things.
One eternity later.
Look at that, first try. That's gonna look very nice. What do you think, guys? How do you feel about it? Oh my god, my interior is coming along very well. But yeah, it was fairly easy. I can put a link on where I bought everything on the description, and hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the coilover install. It's gonna be coming soon.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way